The immunity secrets health coaches swear by, and no one's talking about. First up, mushroom power is one of the most underrated secrets for immunity. Reishi and chaga mushrooms are potent boosters, helping your body fight infections and adapt to stress. These mushrooms naturally strengthen your immune system, making them a must-have. A simple yet effective way to support your immune health is with Hey Girl Feel Better tea. This soothing blend of herbs helps relieve cold symptoms and gives your body the support it needs when you're feeling under the weather. Grounding therapy is another hidden gem for boosting immunity. Walking barefoot on natural surfaces like grass or sand reduces inflammation and balances your body's electrical energy, giving your immune system a helping hand. Finally, Pure Synergy Immune Powder offers a powerhouse of organic herbs, berries, and mushrooms that not only strengthen immunity but also provide essential nutrients. This blend is perfect for supporting your body's defense system.